lady was like, you guys gotta stop.
Sorry, Mother.
We're doing anything illegal.
It is, I mean,
Okay, so we kind of left because we didn't want to get in trouble again and kicked out of another store. We were calm. We were okay. Like, we weren't gonna die.
I think he wanted to ride his bike down the driveway. He's the first one to get to do that ever. That was a bouncy dingo on that little bitty bike. Fun though. What are you digging up, bud?
Like also I found 11 and it almost filled up all of my pockets.
Look, there's one right behind you. Right there. Look. Back this way. No, no, back this way. Tito. Oh yeah, there's one. There's one right there. Straight ahead. Nope, back this way. Nope. Oh, you already saw that one? Oh, okay.
Nah. Okay, so we just need to plug this in somewhere. Oh my gosh. It's very freezing outside. This is what happened at piano lessons this morning. It was a complete accident.
Oh, heavens.
Lincoln knocked it over and immediately started bawling.
Sure.
Oh, hi, sweetie. Want to go to dinner with Allie and Tylen? I was doing my I was doing a haircut and it took 2 hours. I was only planning on like an hour tops. It just happened. It took forever and then I had to film something and I have nothing for dinner. Here, I'll take it. I have nothing for dinner and so I'm like, let's just go to dinner. My house is covered in, my bathroom is covered in hair. My bedroom is covered in like, you know, okay, let's go.
I'm losing suction.
See, in order to like film and do all of that with a clean backdrop, I had to demolish this one. I'm not even gonna show you what's behind that door over there. This is all covered in hair. I need to vacuum it and wipe it down so I don't track it all through the house. And the thought of like cooking dinner, like finding dinner, I'm like, no, I don't think so. And my hair, it just needs washed and fixed, but it's just not like, it's just driving me crazy. I think the cut is going to be amazing, but it's just like styling. Like these need restyled because all they want to do is sit right here. So I'm just like, all right, let's go to dinner and hopefully we all come back new people. Let's just try that. Guys, I do not like mornings. Okay, wait 1 second. I gotta fix my hair. Good morning, guys, and welcome to another day of cleaning and talking. But today's session, we will be talking about literally anything.
So, I have to clean my room. It's kind of a mess. Just, yeah. A mess. Oh, okay. So since it is spring break, I cannot talk, you guys. Let me set up the camera. What vloggers have to do. I'm not a vlogger though. That'd be fine. Yeah, I'll just move my chair. You guys don't want to see my chair. We went to the mall the other day, right? And so we were thinking, like, oh, what should we do? And like, I didn't bring like any money. I was just like, I don't really want anything and I don't really want to get anything because I didn't need anything. I was like, I'll be just fine just to like go on and then try on stuff and call it good. So I went with my friends and the first store we went to, there is a store with prom dresses. It looks so dark. Okay, there we go. And it is like there's just prom dresses and shoes and just kind of a lot. And so we were looking and we were kind of laughing because we were not making fun, but just like a little bit of like the dresses. And this lady comes up to us and she's like, I'm still talking to you guys, by the way, so still pay attention. Sorry, Mother. This is really terrible. I'm gonna restart this. And then this lady comes up to us and she's like,
You have to have a parent with you.
So we left, then we went to Forever 21. And Forever 21, they just have a lot of like stuff that I wouldn't wear or that me and my friends like won't wear. Like just a lot of showy stuff. We'll just leave it at that. So we were looking at that and then we found like sunglasses, we found necklaces, and we were just like looking at it and we were taking pictures. And then we went to Bohm. It's not Bohmy, it's Bohm. Bohm is my favorite. There is such beautiful stuff there. There was one other store we went to, but I forgot. But my friend, she found like a skirt and like a couple dresses, like summertime dresses. It was so cute. I need to organize my backpack. That's what I will do. After that store, we went and we got drinks. My friend bought us all a drink, and we got like, it was like a raspberry or a strawberry or a lemonade, just like a regular one. So we all got that. We were walking, and then we ran over to the Home Depot. So weird. We just ran over there. So we went to the Home Depot, and that was kind of like what we did most of the time. So we were there, and then we were like dancing in the hallways. So we kind of left because we didn't want to get in trouble again and kicked out of another store. So we left there, and then we went to TJ Maxx, and then my friend bought a whole bunch of face masks, and then the next time we hang out, which is hopefully today, hopefully we could do them, and we will, I think it'll be super fun. I was holding the bag. Somehow I ended up with that. I don't think my friends should trust me with bags. Or no, we went to Old Navy. And then so when we got there, I was like, I feel like I'm forgetting something, because I had a shopping cart in TJ Maxx. And I was like, okay, I feel really weird without a shopping cart, because like I was just holding it for like the last like 10 to 20 minutes. We were looking around, we're like, I don't think we're forgetting something. So we left, and then we went, and we were like, oh wait, where's the bag? I was like, I ended up with the bag, and then I accidentally left it by, so I was looking at these outfits, right, at Old Navy, and there was a duck, like a little ducky for like a baby outfit. It was like a cute little costume, the sweetest thing I've ever seen. So we were like looking at that, and then I set the bag down to take a picture, and then I left that bag on accident. And I was so mad at myself. I was like, I wasn't supposed to do that. Ooh, this can be good for extra paper. Ugh. So after we found it, we were calm. We were okay. Like, we weren't gonna die. We went to Ulta. I think it was like a foundation, but it was like 4 shades darker, like darker than her skin. And she's not like a pale person, but like she's also not like a tan person. None of us were tan. So we did her, and it was very dark on her. And so we're like, okay. But we were doing it kind of for fun, and we were using the testing ones. So like, we were doing anything illegal. Anyways, so after that, we did me. And this is me. And so after we did me, you guys, this notebook has lasted me since the beginning of the term. I drew a pig, a cow, and a chicken. 6 weeks left of school. I'm so excited for that. Anyways, but yeah, so this has been worn and torn. And I'm still using it. I still have to use it. But yeah, we went to the dollar store and we bought like little crates. They were just like made out of like toothpicks or something. Not toothpicks, like popsicle sticks, and then we painted them. Ooh, I have mine here actually. It's like a green with like a brown, and then it has cow print. I didn't do the back side though. I thought it was cute, and then I like put all my perfumes in it. You guys, pencils is like money in school. Pencils are everything to everybody. You guys look, I have a heart. It's made out of paper. Now I gotta write a card. Well, once I'm finished cleaning, I have to write a card for my friend. And practice the guitar. See, look, I still have the bag. You guys, my friend taught me how to do a messy bin too. It's pretty cute. I love it. We'll learn A. Let's learn A, okay. 4. So this is A. This might be tuned. Ooh, that's not it. You guys don't watch me. I can't do this. I gotta figure it out.
Well, are you guys ready to see my hair? I'm laughing because it's really short, and I don't know if I meant to do it this short. Okay, how can I like show you? It is, I mean, it's short. The thing is though, I told her, I said, I really, okay, that's better. Yeah, that's better. Okay. I told her, I was like, I want to go shorter because I just feel like everything is like weighing my hair down. And I was like all like I hate my hair. And she was like, you hate your hair? Let me show you a picture of what it looked like when you first came to me. And my hair literally didn't even have a ringlet. It was kind of like wavy. And she's like, your hair has so much more definition. She's like, whatever you're doing, keep doing it. Let's just cut it. And so then I was like, let's just chop it. And then after I was like, oh, that's really, really short. Plus this is just the first time that I've curled it since the cut. And so it's a little like tight. You know what I'm saying? Okay, but let me tell you about the day. Let's go out and talk to Mr. Hoellein, which I'm kind of scared too because he is cranky. Oh, he's not even here. Lincoln? Oh my heck. He's not even here. You know you're not supposed to be in there. Out. 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 You know why she's not supposed to be in there? Because this is the one thing in our entire house that let me find it. She's like, don't show it, mommy. Where did it go? Well, it must not have been too bad. I can't find it. Oh, right here. She sat and chewed on this one time and she got in big trouble. And so I don't usually let her sit in that basket. Oh, it's like so warm. I know. Come on, come with mama, come on. Why does it smell like that in here? Why does it smell like that in here? It smells really stinky. I think it's the dirty clothes maybe. Guys, my kids, summer, the kids are just so smelly. Okay, we're coming down to the wire on all of the paperwork. So it's official. We got our building permit. We got our zoning permit. And now we're just finalizing a few other things to like get in order, like get ready, getting the machines to the property, all the things. And Joel is so cranky. And I was like, Joel, this is just the beginning. He's like, okay, the beginning is the hardest part. I wish you could smell how horrid this laundry was smelling. Why is it so bad? It's like, I think when I go to my new house, I'm gonna have like these beautifully clean cupboards. I don't think I'm going to because I just love shoving stuff. All right, well, we're gonna go normal, but with like the extra rinse. I always wash the clothes and then I dry them because I know what needs to be left out of the dryer. My kids do all of the folding. You guys are back. Is Dad home?
Mm-mm.
Where is he?
At the property. Right as I got outside, he was at the property.
Are you serious? Did you want to go with him?
Yeah.
Yeah? I'm sorry. We're going to pour the clothes right here. And then the kids will do those before they're allowed to like watch TV or whatever for the night. Right?
I don't even know how to fold.
Yeah, Lincoln's not super great at laundry. But if the kids fold for you, then what can your job be?
Put away.
To put away. Yep.
They always tell me I have to put away all of it.
Yeah, that's your job.
Hello?
Hi.
Hello?
Hi.
Oh, sorry, I was on my phone.
Are you still being tranky?
No,
Why?
I never was cranky.
I like when you're cranky.
I wasn't cranky, though.
Yeah, you were freaking cranky. Like, more cranky than I've ever known you to ever be.
That's a lie. I've never been cranky, ever.
Because you were just playing with your four-wheeler.
Yeah, it's cranky. Playing.
I said, Joel, you're playing with the four-wheeler. He's like, playing? Yeah, why did you take the four-wheeler up to the property without telling me? I would have come with you.
Oh, I didn't know you wanted to go.
I mean, I didn't want to go with Cranky, but I wanted to go.
I wasn't picking up that you wanted to be around me vibes. be more direct next time.
Okay, well, I'm happy to know that you're not cranky. Okay, here's the thing. For dinner, it's 5 o'clock. I can either go get all the things for a fresh salad, or we can do what we did last night and maybe, you know, I mean, find food elsewhere.
What was last night?
What would we go get?
I don't know.
Are all the kids home or no?
No, all the kids are at their friends except you, me, and Lincoln.
I tried doing fasting all day, but I couldn't, so I had to eat.
Why were you fasting?
Just for fun.
We recently have been teaching our kids about fasting, like for church. And then of course the kids naturally hear about Joel and I doing intermittent fasting. And when I asked Lincoln about, I said, Lincoln, do not tell me you ate 4 pieces of Kraft cheese. And he was like, I tried fasting and I couldn't do it. Lincoln, fasting is not for kids. You need to eat breakfast and a lunch and a snack and dinner. Speaking of dinner, Dad's here, let's go. Before we do anything, we need to go get this thing in a car wash. Why do I do that? Why do I put the camera up there knowing it's gonna fall? Why do I constantly put my purse in the passenger seat knowing it's gonna fly everywhere? I'm just not very smart. Let's go. Ooh, Link, this is a good one. It's nice and soft. Come here. All right. We decided that we didn't want to go out to eat. Not because we don't want to, but because, you know, the pants are fitting a little tighter these days and, you know, gut health.
Sweet onions. You're not sweet onions. You make me cry.
I definitely feel better about getting this versus takeout. So good choice, good choice. I think we can all agree that we are very happy that we didn't go out. If you want the recipe for this, which you do, I mean you do, it'll be on my Instagram stories under food. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye guys. So is it, when I, and a lot of ugly stuff, sorry, but. Well, that kind of ruined my clip. I was gonna say, oh, hi, Lola. Hi.